My Dumos Countertop Ice Maker has arrived. I'm going to unbox it here for you, and we're just going to go right into making some ice. So that's not time. Instruction manual. This ice machine is self-cleaning. It makes 2 different sizes of cubes. It says it takes 6 minutes. Kind of blows my mind. Handle. Oh, isn't she pretty? I'm gonna take some time to look at the instruction manual before I jump into this, and then for the first time ever, I will be making some ice in my office, which can't say I've ever done before, but I am really excited about. So stay tuned. I'm back, and I read the instruction manual, and I am glad I did, because I can't just make ice right away. The first thing it says in there is that once you receive this, you want to let it sit upright for 24 hours so that all of the coolant and refrigerant in here has time to settle. So I will be waiting to do this for another 24 hours, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you the rest of what setup involved, which was basically nothing. I did have to remove some highly visible blue tape that was holding down items. That's really great that they did that. I know now that things weren't rattling around in here. This is the little removable basket. Nice sturdy plastic. It's molded to fit the inside of this quite well. Back there's a little tray that flips the ice up once it is frozen. The last thing I'll do right now is to attach this handle. We can see how easy or difficult this is together, but by the looks of it, this is going to be quite simple. 2 little holes in the side. Oh, that was easy peasy. Okay, we are ready to go. I'm gonna let this sit, and I will check back once I am ready to make some ice tomorrow.